Are you constantly on the go, but still crave delicious meals? Do you find yourself short on time, but still want to impress your friends and family with your cooking skills? If so, you're in for a treat. In today's video, we'll be sharing 7 incredible recipes that you can whip up in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a busy professional, a student, or simply someone who loves to eat well without the hassle, these recipes are perfect for you. In this video, we'll guide you step by step through each recipe, showcasing how easy it is to create mouth-watering dishes in no time. From breakfast to dinner, we've got you covered. 1. 5-minute breakfast smoothie. Start your day off right with a nutritious and delicious smoothie packed with fruits, greens, and protein. Perfect for busy mornings. 2. Avocado toast with a twist. Elevate your classic avocado toast by adding spices and toppings that will take your breakfast game to the next level. 3. Quick caprese salad. Impress your guests with this fresh and vibrant salad made with mozzarella, tomatoes, and basil, drizzled with balsamic glaze. 4. Microwave mug omelette. Who knew you could make a fluffy omelette in just a mug? This recipe is perfect for brunch and takes mere minutes. 5. No-cook tuna salad wrap. Combine canned tuna with fresh veggies and your favorite dressing for a protein-packed lunch that's ready in a flash. 6. Instant veggie stir-fry. Learn how to make a colorful stir-fry using frozen veggies and a few simple sauces for a satisfying dinner option. 7. Decadent chocolate mug cake. Indulge your sweet tooth with a rich, gooey mug cake that's ready in minutes. Perfect for a late-night snack. Benefits: save time, learn how to prepare delicious meals in just 5 minutes. Healthy choices: many of these recipes are nutritious and can help you maintain a balanced diet. Culinary skills: enhance your cooking skills and impress your friends and family with your quick cooking abilities. Budget-friendly: most recipes require minimal ingredients, making them easy on your wallet. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more quick and easy recipes, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Comment below with your favorite quick recipe or any suggestions for future videos. Let's cook up some fun together.